Carol's doing great. Oh, what the f? Oh! Oh, this road fucking sucks. Oh! That shit make pussy wet right there. Oh yeah, I gotta stop cussing. I don't want to get demonetized and shit, cause that sucked. So yeah, that's new. Oh god. Trying to pass me in my big turbo, big Hyundai turbo. The hate is cause the anus. The hate is cause the anus. I hope I'm recording still. Trusty old phone. Bring out the camera on my phone, flip that bitch over. That makes me so happy. Like, who needs women when you have big turbos and dogs, dude? Like, and I gotta worry about shit. It's just that is beauteous, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Back my ass in.
It's good once you back that ass up. You's a fine motherfucker once you back that ass.
You're so good.
That shit fucking sound good. I'm telling you guys, this car's slept on, bruh. Like, yeah, they blow engines, but you just gotta keep up on your oil. Literally, every time you gas up, every time you put gas, if you drive your car hard as every time you gas up, I'm telling you, check your oil. It literally takes 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Check your oil. That's it. Oh, damn burrito.
Treat me like what these. Don't get me dirty. Love on me. Love on me.
Well, hello my friends. Today I got my Russian mail order bride. Now, she's been through fucking hell and back. No, I'm kidding. I finally got my Krotov Wide body kit. It looks like it's been through World War III. No Putin intended, or I mean pun. But yeah, so we're gonna get this installed. Just need rib nuts for the fenders because I cannot reuse my old ones, obviously, and I welded them in. We're gonna go to Hank's and get some rib nut inserts and get this kit on there. Look at all that fucking... Dude, that's like 20,000 pounds right there. Holy shit. There's even sand in there? What the fuck was that at the beach? That's Yogi, by the way. Alright, just gotta tape up the Krotov kit. And we'll start tapping and dapping. Riveting and dividend. Dude, my stomach is going crazy. You ain't tucking, you ain't fucking. Oop. So I don't know where we left off, but I pretty much got the whole kit lined up and taped up. I'm not going to drill every single hole. I'm just going to start drilling the corners of the body kit. Just because if you do drill all the holes at once, then things could be misaligned and you'll just totally not align your kit. This kit is extremely hard to screw up on. I mean, if you screw it up, it's either your bumpers are not aligned or Mr. Googly Eyes did it, or you have just googly eyes. No judgment. I'm going to start from the back and work my way this way towards the front of the car. You want to start at the very first piece at the back, or you can start from the front, either or. I'm starting from the back. So what I pretty much did is just line up my gas tank with this body panel and kind of worked my way down to this body line and got that lined up, and then I just pretty much attached this to here. You pretty much want it so once it meets up at the very edge is where you want it. My bumper hangs down just a little bit, so I am going to have that little gap. But once I fix that, this line will be perfect and straight, and then you just pretty much work your way down. When they're sleeping, Yogi.
This bitch on my weed up. She move fast like cheetah. Her first smell is reefer.
Well, typically you do want to put tape before you drill so you don't split the paint, but I do not give a frick about this fender, so I'm not going to put tape. You have to cut these and trim up a little bit. Nothing too major, but that's pretty much what you have to do with fitment anyways. Wrong hole.
Here comes the music.
Boom, 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 boom. I'll shoot you right down. Boom, 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 boom.
Just putting in the work, baby. That's all you gotta do. You gotta put in the fucking work. And you got nothing to worry about. As long as you're doing good and you're putting in the work, it'll all come back to you. And I put that on my mama. It always comes back. If you're a good person, good things come.
I'm gonna come.
Now, that doesn't mean nothing's gonna hit the fan. Shit's still gonna happen to you. It's just how you're gonna react to it. That's the key.
Let's evaluate the situation here. It's evaluated. It's fucked.
Yeah, so this is my OEM side skirt, and this shit was just hanging, so it's not lining up the body panels. Look at that. It literally fit in there, and all I have to do is put a screw in there now. Okay. See if I can get a rib nut in here so I can attach these two together. I think that would go pretty fucking titties. Bruh. That is so fire. Alright, got my thought slides on. So I got this side pretty much styled in. I just have to attach the bottom of the side skirts on. But other than that, went on so nice. Super easy. It's really hard to mess this up, so. Alright, that concludes the wide body install from Krotov. That kit came from Russia. It took a good minute to get here because of customs. But it got here. Install was literally a breeze. Yeah, I couldn't ask for anything better. It's just getting one step closer to actually be able to drift this thing, which will be here in, could be a couple weeks, could be a couple days. We'll see. I also have a bunch of stuff coming in, and the motor I'm also still building. I just need to find a good machine shop to port and do the machine work I needed to do. But yeah, I couldn't be any more happier with the kit, and I'm not going to show you guys because I also got a surprise for the kit. I got different sets of wheels that are super rare in my size and my specs. I usually find like 5x100s. Super stoked on those. Got a good deal on those, and I'm super happy with this. I mean, I don't understand why you'd want those like FRSs or BRZs. You have to turbo them. They're slow as shit, and they're just garbage. I mean, this comes turboed, bucket seats, LSD. I mean, what more can you want than a clout chasing BRZ or FRS that's naturally aspirated, that's slow as shit, and has none of that. And these go for 10 grand all day. Right? Yeah, it just doesn't make sense. But cool. More Jennies for me and more parts for myself. So super stoked on that. I also got a decoration on my arm. I kind of fucked up, but we live and we learn, and it's not going to stop me from doing what I want to do. So it does fucking hurt though. I'll be revealing everything once I have everything together. But until then, you guys are gonna have to wait. So, all right, love y'all.